Good day, my people. Good day, ambience of goodwill, ambience of full of development, ambience full of potentials, ambience all over the world. This is Kebu TV, and I have our today, being Sunday, the 7th day of January 2024. And on one of the machine, roller machine, asphalt. As they are doing the asphalt, and they infects it, and they made 3 times. And that 3 times, with the double coach, we're making it 6 times, so we made 2 already. So we are not going back. We can do another one. Every time I roll with today was Sunday. That is why Mr. mentioned all the dates and the location. Everybody we knew Omaha Road, and we made from Obikada Junction till the Hana Connect. So the GTX Girls Technical College. So as in Kamsukun Kosinaga, I'm school here na Obe. We are now heading close to Green Mark Energy Fuel Station. At the same time, they are going backwardly to a place like this asphalting and a full asphalt along this ever busy road, according to the promise of the governor, Dr. Alex Choma-Oti. Only this were all the complaints of bad roads, dilapidated roads, all the way thing of the past. The more honor the more we elected him. So he have been doing this, and it's all one of our duty. Can you an report amen? So that is exactly what we are doing. Mataka Matana, I completed the 2-side drainage, very neat, and after now, I measure the action. I be able to say road demarcation, road marking, and also street lights. Very important. So as remember today, I will hear Sibandaba, Yena, Eme, Nobe, Harodos in Eme. Only other game, now in a Yunu, steady situation reports, steady life reports every day, as the work, the progress. I don't know who GTC right now. GTC is also recording serious, massive reconstruction by UBEC, Universal Basic Ngene Aporea. So, annual work and I organize the school will also be fully equipped, and the Oro Nageba and Nike. So, here new Omaha Road, exactly former Motherless Babies Home, 7 Days Adventist Hospital, and Motherless Babies Home. So let's enter the 3rd one. I can join the right now. Then we can be more asphalted. Look at how neat the roads are. Look at how beautiful the roads are. As I'm new soon here. Now all I name you can name with information, okay? Directly from Kebu TV. All here our duty and all our promise. So and we're doing it with all our hearts. Yeah, sorry. So Oro, Amela, Oro, Subiga everywhere. So Anagwaga, I know as it happen. That was Sunday, 7th of January 2024. And you can see the motor machine about to now. On your boom. So you can also see tons of trucks conveying tons of asphalt. Tons of asphalting. Yeah. The dye is scarce, and everybody allow chocolate na ihoro aside the one na road here. While more can they change what location? Can they change what environment so that the message can sink directly to the people the messages for. So I want to now use this medium to also appreciate our teaming supporters, our followers, wherever they are, all over the world, wherever they are watching us. So, and me with the one now, since I come return back to even Parker. So I've spent a lot of time at this very place. So anything maybe I'll go back for myself, prepare fully for other things than necessary. This is Cable TV, and I'm gonna about time on Ike to make sure you with the right information and also on time as in they happen. That is our promise to you. Well done. So here our long new Umaya road. Now the Orona High City, the drainages have been all completed. The asphalting from just one portion. I mean, due to the size of the road the big, or the big, because they do realize the road itself. Because also I got Ururuka, those are go Maya, those are with the village, the former governor. So I got that side, but that notwithstanding, I like to be I parker, Morike. So we boss I got a video rota. Thank you. I've tried in giving you guys all the reports that you guys needed. We have tried our best for today. So we're gonna leave the rest to God. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the support you guys have given us. Thank you. You can never take such support for granted. Never. So thank you for always sticking to this style, and thank you for always assimilating the information that we already release, which are all verifiable, factual, and real. Don't forge informations. They bring the information the way they are as they drop. So I need to go back to where I parked my ride. I'm changing the environment very soon. The Egyptians you see today, you shall surely see them no more very soon. Also, I want bag roach everywhere, but at least when they get 60% of all the roads in Aba fixed, now transformation, investment, we're gonna rebuild, development, and also tight security, efficient security, electricity, and so on and so forth. Gonna rebuild. So I'm happy also. I look on my bike, you can see loads of tons of asphalt bachelor on board. Now, and a cheton. Call a man, a Charlie. So, and you are now about the near you know the reporting. What was the name? Ebo name, Mambo name. Yeah. Happy Sunday to all our Christian brothers and sisters. Ebo Oleno. Happy Sunday. I love you all. This is our prayer. So, even parked this morning. I'm very tired already. So, at this moment, thank you. Bye-bye.